Do you want to learn programming in a fun way, and that too the fastest growing language, which is Python? So here we are. Welcome to Telesco Learnings. My name is Davin Reddy, and in this series you will learn Python language from start to end. The only prerequisite here is your time, nothing else. If you have not done programming before, that's completely fine, because in this series we will start from scratch. So you will understand the language fundamentals, you will understand the syntax, and not just that, we will also focus on concepts. So this Python series will be fun to learn, and that too it is freely available, so you can learn the entire Python language for free. When you're learning something online, you may get bored or you may get distracted, but don't worry. In this series, I will try to make this session as much as interesting as possible. Maybe with the help of my presence, maybe with the help of animations and different stuff. So I hope you will enjoy this series, but make sure that you subscribe to the channel before going ahead, and also share with your friends. Let everyone learn programming. Welcome to the alien world, everyone.